I want you to consider the following diagram. What we have is a circle with a triangle inside with O the center and PA. Now, we've got OA equals 1, and we know it's an equilateral triangle, okay? So OA equals OP, which equals PA. So that is an equilateral triangle. That means theta has to equal 60 degrees, because 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180. 180 degrees in a triangle. Now, if theta's 60 degrees and we're trying to put this into radians, well then it's 60 over 360 times 2 pi. That is equal to 1/6. So that's equal to pi on 3, because of 2, that's 1, 3. So the distance is pi on 3. Now, if we wanted this value here, AP, but the arc to be 1, what would the value of theta be? Alright, so if we said theta over 360 times 2 pi equaled 1. Now, so that would be then theta would equal 360 divided by 2 pi. Theta would equal 50 would equal, let's get rid of that, 57.3 degrees. What that's telling us, well, if 360 degrees is one rotation and 2 pi is also one rotation, what that's saying is 360 divided by 2 pi, well, that's actually 1 radian. 1 radian, so 1 radian is the equivalent of 57.3 degrees. Okay, and that's important information to know, because if we go here and have a look, we're going to draw a circle, and we've got our X and Y. We've got here, so that's R, 1 radian, that's R. Well, you've got, that's for 2 pi, that's the radius of 1, okay, so equals 1, that's for the 1 radian. Alright, so that's our circumference equals 2 pi r. So what happens is, if this changes and we've got 1, 1, that's 1. If that's 1, 1, that's 2. If that's 1, 1, that's 3. And what you'll notice is, because what will happen is 2 pi 1 equals 1, 2 pi 2 equals 2, 2 pi 3 equals 3. And you'll see here, you've got 1 plus 1, that's 2. So you got the 2 here. Alright. And you've got the 3 there. So when you add them up, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So that's where it's come from. And when you divide by these, here and here and here and here, they all cancel out to be 1. So it doesn't affect it. So notice that 1 radian is exactly the same angle regardless of how the radius of the circle changes. So if the radius gets larger, it doesn't affect the radians. They stay constant. 1 radian will always be 57.3 degrees. It doesn't matter if the radius was 1 unit or 50 units, okay?